In our last video, we have seen how to create the class and it's how to initialize the object of that class, how to use this init and str method to set the object values and to display when someone prints this particular object. Now, one of the important part that always comes with classes and object is class level functions. So let's say we wanted to create a function which says print person details, and it takes this object uh, as a basically uh, as a parameter, right? So this is how we declare a function in Python, that it starts with def, name of the function. This is kind of a standard that Python SDK follows while declaring the names of a function and whatever parameters that it wants to take, right? Now let's say we wanted to print a statement like, for example, print person details are, then you make it as first name is, then you give self dot first name comma last name is self dot last name persons, or I'll write like this. I'll just make some basic changes. Person's first name is first name, last name is this. Person, or let's make it like this, person this, person this works for self dot company name. Yeah, so that's how. So what we have done is str is fine. I just wanted to show you when somebody prints the actual object then how it works, but I'm going to remove this print statement now. Instead of that, the format in which we want the person details to be displayed is, let's say, person, then first name of the person, then space, then last name of the person, works for whatever company that particular person works for. So what we do here is we initialize the object in the exact same way. Then using the person1 object, I'll call this print person details method. Yeah, you see that since it is an object of this person class and this print person details method or function is present inside a class, my object person1 can access this particular method. Same thing is gonna happen with person2 as well. Print person details, it will pass, and all this person, like what will get passed in the self is what parameters that we have passed. Now let's say if I run this, yeah, then if you see, it has called this print person details and whatever print statement that we have written. So here is your logic will go, whatever you want this function to do, that logic will go here. Person John Williams works for ABC services, person Anna Micheal works for ABC services. So that's how we can create the class level function which are accessible to object. Okay, I hope guys you will be able to use it in your actual Python exercises. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.